This is Shashi here, and we are going to continue chapter number 4, that is factors and multiples. Exercise 1 already we have done, and we have seen the divisibility rule of 4, 6 and all we have seen, and we have also done exercise 2 also we have done, and this question up to question number 1 and 2 we have discussed already, and 2b I had given you as a homework. Okay, now further we'll see. Now today we are going to discuss question number 3. Okay, in question number 3 what is given? Put a tick mark on the numbers that are divisible by what? Divisible by 4. So we have to know that what is the rule for 4. A number is divisible by 4. How can we say? So what was the rule for 4? That last two digit, any number, suppose 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 0. If the last two digit will be divisible by 4 or multiple of 4, then this whole number will be divisible by 4. Or the last two digit are 0. Then the whole number will be divisible by 4. Okay, so two rules are there, that last two digits should be multiple of 4 or last two digits should be 20. Okay, now we'll see here in the question what is given here. In your question it is given 146. Now 146, what is the last two digit? 46. 46, is it divisible by 4? 46, is it divisible by 4 or not? So 4 1 ja 4, and this 6 will come down. 4 1 ja 4, 2 is the remainder. So last two digit is not divisible by 4, is not multiple of 4. So this 146 is not divisible by 4. Similarly 274, last digit is what? 74. 74 is not divisible by, you will divide and see. It is not divisible by 4, last two digit is not divisible by 4, so this whole number is not divisible by 4. Okay, now see this number 728. Just see the last two digit is what? 28. 28 is multiple of 4 or not? 4 7 are 28 we get or not? So last two digit is multiple of 4. So this 728, this whole number, this 728 is divisible by 4. Then 904, what is the last two digit? 04. 04 means what? 4 only. 4 is divisible by 4. So this whole number is divisible by 4. Then 6500, last two digit is 0. Can you see here? Last two digit is 0. So it is divisible by 4. Okay. Now divisibility rule for 6. We have to see that the numbers, this 99 is divisible by 6 or not. So for 6, what is the rule for 6? We'll see what is the rule for 6. So what is the rule for 6? If the number is divisible by both 2 as well as 3, then the number will be divisible by 6. Okay. Suppose 15 is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 4. So 15 is not divisible by 6 also. Okay. If we'll take 18, it is divisible by 2. 2 9 is 18, and it is also divisible by 3. Okay, so 18 is divisible by both 2 and 3. So 18 is divisible by 6 also. Okay, so what is the criteria? What is the rule? That a number is divisible by both 2 as well as 3, then the number will be divisible by 6 also. Got it? So this was the rule. So we'll check one by one. So first number 99. 99, is it divisible by 2? Is it divisible by 2? What is the rule for 2? Last digit should be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. What is the last digit here? 9. 9. So it is not divisible by 2. So 99 is not divisible by 2. That means it is not divisible by 6 also. Okay. So this 99 is not divisible by 6 also. Now 124. This number 124. So we'll see 124. We'll see this part. Okay, 124. We have to see whether it is. So first of all, we'll check with 2. For 2, what is the last digit? 4. So last digit is 4. That means it is divisible by 2. Now we'll check for 3. What is the rule for 3? We have to add the digit 1 plus 2 plus 4. How much will get? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7, is it multiple of 3? No, it is not divisible by 3. That means it is not divisible by 6 also. So 146, which number? 124. This number also not divisible by, this number is also not divisible by 6. So rest of the numbers you will check. You have to check both by 2 also and 3 also, rest of the numbers. Okay, so you will check and you can do on your own. Now come to this part, question number 4, very important part. Put a tick mark if divisible and put a cross mark if not divisible. Okay, we have to put tick mark if divisible and if not divisible then cross mark. So 99. 99, is it divisible by 2? What is the last digit in 99? 9. So not divisible by 2. For 2, what is the criteria? What should be the last digit? Either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. But what is here? Here last digit is 9. So it is not divisible by 2. Okay. So we have put here, we are putting here cross mark because 99 is not divisible by 2. Now look at here, 3. With 3, is it divisible? So 9 plus 9, how much will get? 18. 18 comes in the table of 3. 3 6 is 18. So it is divisible by 3. Okay. Now 4. Is it divisible by 4? 499 doesn't. Is, if it is not divisible by 2, then how it can be divisible by 4? So it is not divisible by 2. 5. What was the rule for 5? The last digit should be either 0 or 5. Last digit should be either 0 or 5. So last digit is 9. So it is not divisible by 5. What about 6? 99, is it divisible by 6? How will say? We have to see, is it divisible by both 2 and 3 or not? So from here only, you can see here, so you can see here 99 is not divisible by 2. Okay, is it? This is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 2. For 6, what is the rule? It should be divisible by 2 also and 3 also, but you can see here 99 is not divisible by 2. So it will be not divisible by 6 also. Then with 9, will it be divisible? So what is the rule for 9? We have to add the number 9 plus 9. 99, 9 plus 9, how much will get? 18 will get. 18 comes in the table of 9. 9 to the 18 we get. So it is divisible by 9. For 10, last digit should be 0. What is here last digit? Last digit is 9. So it is not divisible by 10. Okay. So this way you can do. So rest of the question next day we'll discuss. So keep solving. Thank you. Have a nice day.